Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get free likes on TikTok. So if you want to free like on TikTok, you can just open a browser and you will just write the website is letgetmore.com. So you can open it. So from here, when a site is open, you can just scroll down. So here are, you can just purchase it, her subscription to buy likes and followers. So but I want to free likes, so you will just on the top left corner is you will see the settings, and here is the free likes. So you will just click to free likes. So when the site is open, you will just a little bit scroll down. So from here you can just put your username of TikTok and click to I'm not a robot. It's a verification, so you will just click to check username. Is it your account? And you will just select your video URL, which video you want to likes. Again you will just click to I'm not a robot and click to get free likes. So from here you can just scroll down. Here is the countdown time. After this time finished, you will get free likes automatically on your selected video. So please wait for finishing this time. You can just scroll down 1 to 2 minutes on this website open. So once this time complete, you will be get likes for free in few minutes. So make sure your time is complete up. So it's done. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.